Accidentally deleted photos on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Don't worry, there's a quick way to recover recently deleted pictures before they're permanently removed from your device. So open the Gallery app. Next, tap the menu icon, which may appear as three lines or three dots depending on your software version. From the menu, select Trash or Recycle Bin. This folder contains photos and videos that have been deleted recently. Once you're inside the trash folder, tap Select in the upper right corner of the screen. Choose the photos you want to recover by tapping on them. After making your selection, tap Restore at the bottom of the screen. The selected photos will immediately be returned to their original albums in the gallery, making them accessible again just as they were before deletion. It's important to remember that Samsung only keeps deleted photos in the trash folder for up to 30 days. After that period, the files are automatically and permanently removed from the device, and recovery becomes much more difficult. Therefore, if you notice that important photos are missing, it's a good idea to check the trash folder as soon as possible. If the photos are no longer in the trash, you may still be able to recover them from a cloud backup service such as Samsung Cloud or Google Photos, provided backup was enabled before the photos were deleted. This simple recovery method is quick, safe, and built into your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, making it the first place you should check whenever photos are accidentally deleted.